Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Jim from Asagari Channel, a faith healer, also Mata reader. So ngayong gabing tatingnan natin ang nagsabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of November 1 hanggang November 7 for the sign of Gemini. So Gemini, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, guys, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pag-suporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalsiksik digdig nag-uumapaw ang manambalik sa inyong biyaya. No? Maraming salamat po. And of course, umpisa na natin ang totoong laban for the sign of Gemini. Angel Spirit Messages, bigyan mo ka ng pasabog at bulabog sa mga kapatid nating Gemini. Angel Spirit Guides, give me the information. Okay, there's a Two of Cups. There's a partnership and conditional love, no? Kumaga meron ditong kaugnayan with you and with your person. Or either, a partnership pagdating sa business, trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. And because there's a Queen of Swords. So, sinasabi dito, there's a bigger picture, no? Kumaga, tumitingin ka sa mga magiging possibilities, no? Yung magiging kahihinatnan ng bawat eksena. Okay, let's see what is additional messages. Because there's a tower moment, there's a sudden changes. Sudden changes is either destruction or there's a creation, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na or reveal, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito may mga bagay na magbabago. It's either ikasisira o ikabubuti o ika-iunlad, no? Additional, there's an Ace of Swords, there's a breakthrough. It's either a breakthrough. Ibig sabihin dito, tagumpay, no? Kumbaga, a surprises for new beginning. So, ibig sabihin may mga magbagong magsisimula sa iyo, no? Additional messages. And of course, there is a Four of Wands. So, there is a celebration, a twin flame energy, no? So, sinasabi sa dito, there's a wedding, reunions, or homecoming, no? Additional messages. Additional messages. And of course, there's a Three of Cups, a celebration. Celebration, double clarification na may celebration talaga dito. It's either wedding and engagement, proposal, binyagan, or something na magbibigay sa'yo ng celebration. And of course, guys, there's Six of Pentacles, about sa finances with your partner. Kumbaga magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances sa inyong dalawa, no? Kumbaga lalago na raw ang negosyo o hanap buhay nyo. And of course, what is the Queen of Swords? There's a strength card, no? Sinasabi dito na lakasan nyo yung loob nyo, no? Maging malakas ang loob at humarap sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan. Kumbaga, the Queen of Swords, kumbaga tanong na tanong mo yung magiging kahihinatnan ng bawat eksena. The strength card, kumbaga, wala kang takot, no? Sumunggab o wala kang takot na lumaban. So, what is the Tower moment? What is the Tower moment? So, there's King of Swords. Okay, King of Swords is a being a wise, no? Maging matalino at maging wais, no? Sa pagdidesisyon. Kumbaga itong pagiging wise mo, magdadala sa iyo ng surprises, shocking news, or something, changes, no? And of course, there's a Three of Pentacles, collaboration. At ito yung tagumpay na sinasabi na dahil may teamwork, at meron talagang kaugnayan sa inyo na merong kumbaga partnership. So what is the Four of Wands? Okay, Four of Wands represent the the Nine of Wands. So ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga there's a final push or something na kumbaga step by step, no? Kumbaga magdadala sa iyo ng celebration or maaaring palapit ka na ng palapit sa tagumpay, ganon. So what is the Three of Cups? And of course, there's an Ace of Pentacles. Wow, a big money, a big opportunities na magdadala sa inyo ng celebration talaga. So, ibig sabihin dito may malaking offer sa iyo, no? It's a big offer, a big opportunities, or a big money coming in for you. No, baka makakabili ka ng bahay, sasakyan, no? So, let's see what is the Two of Cups. And of course, there's a Six of Pentacles. There's an Empress card, a rebirth. Ibig sabihin, no, renewal, no? Magsisimula kayo ng panibagong negosyo ng inyong person, no? And of course, there's an Eight of of Cups, letting go, no? Kailangan mo i-let go yung fear, yung ego, yung pride, no? Kasi, kumbaga, alam mo sa sarili mo yung nagiging hadlang, no? Para hindi mo makuha yung mga bagay-bagay. Kasi, kapag mas inaano mo yung ego mo, yung pride mo, even your toxicities, kumbaga, nagkikreate ka ng blockages. So, let's see what is the Tower moment and the King of Swords. No, kailangan mo i-let go mo yun, diba? Alam mo naman yung yung negative traits, diba? So, this is Eight of Swords. Oh my goodness. Kumbaga, there's a toxicities around you. Marami sa paligid mo ang toxic, no? It's either plastic or something na, kumbaga, nasa paligid mo lahat ng mga toxicities, yung parang nandyan lang kapag magaling lang kapag may kailangan or something, kapag kaharap ka okay, pagkatalikod mo, 'di ba? So maging aware ka even dyan sa trabaho o negosyo mo, no? Let's see what is the Ace of Swords and the Three of Pentacles. So there's a Nine of Swords. There's a kumbaga there's a success driven. So talagang magkakaroon ng breakthrough, tagumpay, no? Parang binibigyan ka ng right way or tamang daan or tamang proseso or tamang pagkakataon or tamang daan, ganon. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na parating na palapit na talaga ang success sa'yo. So what is Four of Wands and the Knight of Wands? So there's a Knight of Cups, there's an offer. Itong offer na to is a romantic offer or offer that brings you changes for a lifetime. So let's see what is the Three of Cups, and of course the Ace of Pentacles, and of course there's the Six of Cups. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's memories. So, ibig sabihin dito, guys, parang ang layo-layo nila sa dating kayo, no? Parang tinitignan mo yung dati mong situation sa sitwasyon mo ngayon, no? Parang yung current situation or yung current situation mo is parang punong-puno ng punong-puno ng positivity. So, ngayon kumbaga nag-a-attract ka ng mga good energy at the same time parang gumaganda na yung daloy ng pera sa'yo, no? And of course, parang ini-embrace mo yung mga positive na mangyayari sa buhay mo, even yung mga darating pang magagandang opportunities. Parang gano'n. Dati kasi parang kinain ka ng nega, ganon. So, let's see what is the outcome. Ang outcome is the Emperor. Be mature enough and being grounded. Na maging mature ka na ngayon. Kung ayaw mong bumalik sa dati mong ikaw, 'di ba? Maging mature ka. And of course, kailangan natin tingnan mo lagi yung magiging possibilities, both side of situations. No? And of course, there's Two of Swords, no? Two of Swords isn't in decisions, no? Kumbaga nahihirapan ka sa pagdidesisyon. So, kailangan dito take time to making decision. Hindi na pwede yung padalas-dalas sa decision. Kailangan mature ka na kailangan pag-iisipan lagi, no? Maliit man yan or malaking bagay, so kailangan mo talagang pag-iisipan. And of course, there's Ten of Wands. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a lot of responsibilities and obligations, no? Additional messages, there's a Death card. Ibig sabihin dito, there's an ending and a new beginning. Maaaring tatapusin na yung mga bagay sa'yo na nagbigay sa'yo ng problema, stress, no? Kumbaga, this is a new beginning for new opportunities. And of course, there's an high priestess. There's an hidden agenda or hidden enemies or something. There's an unexpected moment, no? Kumbaga, there's a lot of surprises, a shocking news coming in for you. Kumbaga, marami talagang, parang there's a, kumbaga, major changes, a major shift, ganon, and just shocking surprises. Parang ganon yung pasabog dito sa'yo, no? At that brings you a transformation. So, let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. A yin and yang oracle card, there's a detachment. Kung mawala ka, diba? Kung alam mo itong tao na to ay negative or something toxic, no? Kumbaga, lumayo-layo ka sa kanya, diba? And of course, there is a family, home, and of course, commitment. Kumbaga, there's a family related or something, there's a home, and of course, commitment. Kailangan marunong ka makipag-collaboration with your person, no? And of course, guys, there's a receive, open, wow! Marami kang matatanggap, no? It's a possible na makakatanggap ka ng mga magagandang opportunities. Big opportunities, a big money. So, let's see what is additional messages for love oracle card. Twin flame. So, some of you, there's a yin and yang. There's a positive and negative energy. Talagang, no? Talagang, there's a soul contract, no? Or soul plan. And of course, there's a passion. At talaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na having fun to each other, no? At the same time, there's a love. Wow! Talagang there's a love involvement. It's either unconditional love or something na affection and of course attraction, the two of you. So let's see what is additional messages for Archangel Michael. What is this messages for you for Archangel Michael? Sinasabi dito, detach from the situation. I told you so, di ba? Kailangan mong kumawala sa situation. Kailangan mong kumawala sa toxicities. And of course, guys, there's, the person that you're asking is about trustworthy. Even your partner, maaaring itong partner mo yung tinatawag, yung sinasabi dito na mapagkakatiwalaan mo, no? And of course, there's an eternal love. My God, there's an everlasting promises. Oh my God. Hindi ka lang niya pakikiligin, di ba? Hinaharating ka pa niya. Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's trust the timing. See? Kung sinasabi dito na may mga bagay na hindi pa napapanahon at wala pa sa pagkakataon. Pero ibibigay sa'yo dito in a right way, in a right thing. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a trust the wave you came into you. Ibig sabihin dito, ibibigay sa'yo ni God, kapag yung handa na ang universe na ipagkaloob sa'yo at handa ka na, diba? Kasi may mga possibilities na may mga bagay na kailangan pa ayusin sa'yo or something na kailangan mo experience, diba? Para at least hindi walang doubt and regret dun sa ibibigay at pagkakaloob sa'yo. Kasi marunong ka ng, diba, dumistansya or mag-control. At the same time, there's purge, don't follow, no? Be the leader you wish you had. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, kailangan maging leader ka like, kumbaga, being a boss, no? Kumbaga, kaya mong kontrolin or you are also high standard pagdating sa mga bagay. Hindi ka basta magpapadala, no? Kumbaga, handa kang pamunuan, handa kang maging advisor or something, professor, diba? Na, kumbaga, yung pinahangad mo na, kumbaga, sundin ka ng ibang tao or either makinig sa mga advices mo or some of you guys baka teacher no na sinasabi sa'yo dito na susunod sa'yo no or mga susunod sa yapak mo yung mga family related mo. So let's see what is the Monsology. Or some of you guys baka public servant And of course, don't let past hold your back. See? Wag mo na raw balik-balikan yung nakaraan. Kaya di ba sinasabi ko dito, malayong-malayo ka na sa dating ikaw. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na wag mo na raw balik-balikan yung nangyari sa nakaraan. Bagkos, no? Kung maghahayaan mo ng kung saan na lang, kung parang sinasabi na hayaan mo na lang yung nangyari sa nakaraan, no? Kung baunin mo na lang yung mga natutunan mo. Ganon. And of course, wag mo nang bungkalin, o wag mo nang pabalikin yung mga nangyari, diba? And of course, you're very close to achieve your goal. Napakalapit mo na para maisakatuparin yung mga pangarap mo. Diba? Ngayon ka ba susuko? Ngayong laban na laban ka na. Diba? Kumbaga, pagdating sa love life, malapit ka na magkaroon ng pasabog at bulabog. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's an imagination. No, gamitin mo yung imagination mo or visions mo para makapag-create ka ng bagay-bagay, diba? And of course, there's an adversity. So, ibig sabihin dito, may kanya-kanya tayong challenges sa buhay, no? Kumbaga, pagandahan nila ng pagdala. At the same time, may mga bagay yan na ipapaalam sa atin at parang matututunan natin. No? At biwit-bitin mo yan in the near future. So, let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages for you. And of course, there's a enlightenment. Magkakaroon ka na kaliwanagan. At the same time, there's a direction for perfect timing. See? Step by step, hindi naman yan agad-agad Diba? Kumbaga, dapat dadaan ka sa tamang proseso. Hindi pwedeng bigla kang angat. Kapag bigla kang angat, may gumagawa ka ng hindi maganda. So, some of you guys, kailangan dumaan ka sa tamang proseso para at least maramdaman mo kung paano umakyat sa taas at sa tuktok, no? Kapag bigla kang angat, ibig sabihin magbigla ka rin lagapak. Kapag naglagapak ka, mahirapan ka bumangon kasi hindi mo alam kung paano yung tamang proseso. 'Di ba? Kaya ka mga milyonaryo di ba? Yung mga mayayaman dyan, guys. Alisin mo ng yaman yan. Di ba? Alisan mo ng yaman yan. At the end of the time, magiging milyonaryo yan. Kasi alam niya. Alam niya yung mindset. And of course, mayroon silang consistency. Di ba? Kung paano mag-manage ng finances. Kung mag-control ng ganitong emotions. Kung alam nila yan. Di ba? Kaya kailangan mo dumaan sa tamang proseso. Kasi hindi lang yung finances ang binibuild mo. Even your emotions and of course your physical and emotional attitudes. So let's see what is this energy. Okay, this energy represent there's a first chakra, Archangel Raphael, for healing. So, ibig sabihin dito, guys, sinasabi na Archangel Raphael na magkakaroon ka ng healing in all aspects, in all factors. At the same time, there's a walking away. So, kailangan mo nang kumawala o tumalikod sa mga negativity or negative traits na nangyari sa from the past. Diba? Kumbaga, there is some temptation, toxicities, kailangan mong kumawala dyan. Mag-attract ka ng mga good energy. What is the chakra? Vanity, see yung mga walang kabuluhan, kailangan mo na i-let go. Diba? Additional messages. And of course, there's an enlightenment. Enlightenment, magkakaroon ka ng inner clarity. No? Magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan. Let's see what is our Archangel Raphael messages for you. And of course, give us your care. So some of you ituturo ni Archangel Raphael yung tamang daan or kung paano mo alagaan yung person or loved ones mo, 'di ba? Kung sinasabi dito, alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo na kailangan yung magkaroon kayo there's a joining forces, 'di ba? Kailangan yung magtulungan. 'Di ba? Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, guys, there's a nutrition. Some of you kailangan nyo na masusustansya pagkain for healing, no? Para ma-relief din yung stress nyo. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. What is the Jesus loving quote said? Jesus loving quote said, you are the light of the world. See? Ikaw yung magsisilbing ilaw ng mundo or ilaw ng tahanan or magsisilbing kaliwanagan sa lahat ng bagay, no? Pagdating sa pamilya, kaibigan, relasyon, or negosyo. 'Di ba? Kumbaga lahat matututunan mo, lahat malalaman mo, lahat ng pasikot-sikot ng klase ng buhay, ipapaalam sa'yo. So, let's see what is additional messages for Angel's number. Angel's number represent I am 29 for I am insightful. See, insightful. It means pasilip, no? Kumbaga may papakita sa'yo, ipaparating sa'yo mga mensahe or something na parang katangian na makita mo yung mga bagay-bagay, no? Nasa paligid mo. No? Let's see. You are highly intuitive and creative. Your mind thinks in the features and you seem to draw the information and ideas from out the sky. And powerful drive to know the oneness of all things. So, ipapaalam sa'yo lahat ng bagay, no? Kumbaga lahat ng mga bagay-bagay na mga hindi alam ng iba, no? At yung mga bagay na ipapaalam sa'yo ay makakatulong, informations na yan, na makakatulong sa ibang tao, no? Yung mga bagay na nahihirapan silang unawain, ikaw, kumbaga, para sa'yo ibibigay ang pag-unawa. And of course, there's an hope, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito may pag-asa at itong pag-asa na to ang magsisilbi sa yung tagumpay at iaangat ka niyan, no? Mula dyan sa pagkalugmok at kumbaga problemang pinagdaanan mo. Kasi kumbaga talagang there's a step by step and perfect timing na ibibigay sa iyo. Tandaan mo talaga lahat ng mga bagay na nangyari sa iyo, kumbaga pasalamatan mo kasi kumbaga yan ang magsisilbing kumbaga baon mo sa mga susunod na henerasyon na mangyayari sa buhay mo. Kasi ano yan kumbaga parang nag-aral or something na yan natutunan mo sa school, parang ganon siya. Sa klase kasi ng buhay, para ka pa rin nag-aaral 'di ba? Maraming baon na idadalhin mo sa mga susunod na panahon at susunod na pagkakataon. And kasi sinasabi ng hope, as I enter the great of school of life, I hold tight of my faith in God. God loves, guides me, and guards me in every situation I encounter, regardless of what I confront. I trust in the true nature. Today, I welcome life. I know that light will always return, that there will always be infinite possible for me. Ibig sabihin nito, walang imposible sa'yo. Kasi, kumbaga, ibibigay sa iyo ni God lahat ng bagay na kaalaman na dapat ay para sa iyo. At yan ang magsisilbing pag-asa at kumbaga pagbangon mula sa nangyari sa isa nakaraan, 'di ba? Kumbaga ang layo-layo mo na sa dating ikaw. Kumbaga, wag mo nang ibalik at wag mo nang balikan yung mga bagay na nangyari sa'yo. Bagkos baunin mo yan para sa mga susunod na panahon at susunod na pagkakataon. So, this is a weekly gabay for the month of November 1 hanggang November 7 for the sign of Gemini. So, Gemini, maraming salamat for your wonderful reading. And of course, maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal-siksik digdig na umapaw manumbalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.